This junk is dead. I'll buy something else. What? Who found this? This will crash. It must. I'll warn everyone on Twitter.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always get.
But if I lay down and I play
I knew it.
a monster,
I love the chase.
Shoot, maybe I should have bought this. I would make a ton of money. Doesn't matter. I'll buy now. This is still going to go up.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're
Whoa, what happened? It pulled back. No. I'm not going to fall for the fake crash twice. I'm gonna buy more.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead,
I knew it. It's going up. I'm so good at it. It's going down again. Oh, I have no money. Otherwise I would buy more. It's okay. It's going up. All good. What kind of FUD is this? Just a bunch of haters. This is temporary. It will be back up soon.
but if I lay down and I play dead and I stay.
Oh man, I should have sold when I was in profit. This is going down. I'll wait and see what happens. This junk is dead. I'm selling everything.